What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm not sure. Well, I was not planning to have a video today because we're out in the Vega, so it was just going to be time run, so I wasn't going to make a video today. But they just announced we got a race for a Wally tonight in the truck. So we got one more timer in the Vega. That's going to get parked. One more timer in the truck, and then we're going to race in the shootout tonight for a Wally. Let's go. 701 gets it done.
Left hand side, the F.
Okay, you got 15 feet.
Dial 1031 for Team Tucson.
Let's go.
5 feet.
Lynn Piperata.
Close.
The 4th Gen Camaro for Team Firebird. Dial 960.
One more. There you go.
Flicker the bull for the F150.
It was green. It wasn't good. Where they at?
Tailgate.
Green.
Tailgate. Tailgate. Lift.
In the big old truck, stay out front. Hit
Good.
the brake light.
Perfect.
Wind light.
Yeah! What?
Red stripe. 1036.
Killed him. Good job.
Let's go. 5 above gets it done, baby. Oh, I gotta get up there.
Alright, guys. Just got the win there. Round 1. Had a 130 thou starting line advantage. Was able to get rid of about 9 mile an hour there. Taking 186 to be 5 above and get the win. We were holding quite a bit there, so gonna put probably like a 25 on it. Roll back up there for round number 2.
Yeah, a little right. Just point the nose a little right. Yep. Okay, you got a lot of room.
Make sure all our stuff's good. Oh.
Good.
It's on now.
Okay, go. Hold on up. Good call. Good catch. Okay, hold it.
My dial's good, yeah.
Sounds good.
Late to fix it.
Way back, tailgate. Not quite tailgate. Coming, still coming. Rear door handle, good. Oh! Went fast.
I took a lot.
Yeah. I didn't do such a good job.
I should have dropped it earlier. No, that's my fault, man. CW Hofer still tripled in the race of champions. Alright guys, see there, just a day of time runs and got to race in the truck. Happy with that. That was a tough round there in round 2, and that ended up being the winner. So I'm good with that. That round, that one would have been tough to get by. My light was not that good, 87. So just really nothing I could do there but have better light. Anyways, as you saw there, just made a time run in the Vega, and this thing is kind of all over the place. So it's been really nice with the FuelTech being able to see all of the spin and stick in the tire with the data logging. So if you want to get that for your own car, go check out www.fueltech.net. Go see what they can do for you, because they got some amazing systems and some way more high level stuff than even we have that can do some pretty crazy stuff. So if you're interested in data logging, delay boxes, really anything, ignition, boost, all of it, FuelTech has got you covered. So go check them out, and go check out all of our other sponsors. There are going to be plenty more videos to come from Vegas and racing. So stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of those videos. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.